To the courts now. In the Uchence gang trial today, defense attorneys tried to establish that some of the police officers who conducted the process to identify the accused gang members did not follow proper procedure. TVJ's Kirk Wright has more.
In the case of at least 3 of the accused men, defense attorneys tried to make the case that the identification process involving their clients was not done properly. A police officer who admitted he's part of a team that conducts ID parades says in some instance where suspects are reluctant to participate in ID parades, he has gone to their cell to try convince them to change their minds. Several defense attorneys expressed shock at the news and questioned if that was standard procedure. The defense attorneys also suggested that on at least 3 occasions, the 2 Crown witnesses were brought into the room where the ID parades are conducted, covered from head to toe. At least one, they say, was fully covered and that only his eyes could be seen. The defense attorney says on that occasion, her colleague raised an objection and requested the police on hand to document her concern. In another instance, the defense attorneys suggested to the officer giving testimony that he was not telling the truth when he said he was the one who conducted one of the ID parades. And even with the document in hand, one of the officers who testified visiting one of the accused men in a particular police lockup was challenged by the defense attorney, who suggested her client was never at the lockup the officer spoke of. 2 of the defense attorneys suggested to the court that when the officer was asked in court to identify 3 of the accused men in the dock, he was glancing at information he had in his left palm. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.